Right now, evacuation orders are in place in Floyd County as crews battle a wildfire in a community just outside of Rome. We're told the fire started along New Rosedale Road and the fire is moving toward Deason Road and Floyd Springs Road near a local trucking company. 11 Alive's Angelina Salcido is there for us now. Angelina, what are you seeing and learning tonight?
Well, Jennifer, those flames are moving quickly. The wind is really the issue here, and that's what's making the fire so hard to fight. The fire started about 8 minutes from here. There are people that are starting to come out of their homes, many of them starting to actually be evacuated. You're going to see Georgia State Patrol behind me as they help to evacuate the neighborhoods in this area. You're also going to see the smoldering in the areas that are behind us as the fire crews try to work to put out this fire. Now, fire crews are working to learn how this started, but the response to get this fire out is large. That is what led to this portion of Georgia 156 to be closed and several homes to be evacuated in this area. Right now we know that Rome Fire, Chautauqua Fire, Gordon County Fire, Georgia Forestry, DNR, Redmond and Floyd EMS, along with the Floyd County Sheriff's Office and Police Department are all here working to keep families safe. They've evacuated several people along the highway as they work to make sure that nobody is in this area because these fires that continue to burn in this area are threatening several different structures in this area. The latest messaging to everybody that lives in Rome is to please avoid outdoor burning today because of how high the winds have been. They do not want anything else to be set on fire, especially outdoors. And if you take a look in the distance, I know that my photographer is showing you, but those the flames, and it's really just taking the embers, and that is what helps to spread the fire. So that is what these fire crews have been facing. That's what they've been dealing with in this area. We're working to speak with the EMA and the fire crews as well. We have seen the air fight that they have been doing. They have the helicopters out here that have the Bambi buckets attached to them. They basically go to a water source, pick up the water and take that so that way they can do an aerial assault and basically pour the water and try to calm down those flames. But it could be a little bit before we see these flames calming down. Nicholas, actually, could we actually do a pan up so then that way we can show them what this looks like? This is the Bambi bucket with the helicopter that I'm talking to you guys about. This is the most effective way for them to try and fight these flames. And they're going to be doing this for quite a while. You can hear the helicopters fly by. The people that live in this area have been out here. They're hoping that they're not going to have to evacuate, but it's the most, it's the easiest way for them to fight the flames again. So we're going to work on talking to the fire department just to see how they're planning on treating this fire, if it has spread anymore, and how much of this fire has been contained. We're live tonight in Floyd County. Angelina Salcido, 11 Alive News.
All right.